I typed just 3 words into this AI, and it generated a full professional song in seconds. Lyrics, vocals, instrumental, everything done automatically. And the best part is, you fully own the music, so you never have to worry about copyright again. This is the exact song the AI generated for me.
I remember nights so heavy, heart weighed down like stone, couldn't see beyond the shadows.
And that entire music was created from just a simple text description. Now let me show you step by step how you can create yours. To get started, click the link in the video description below or in the pinned comment. It will take you directly to this website called Toune Sona. Once you arrive, click on Start for Free to begin. Now let me show you exactly how this works. At the top, you'll see some suggested prompts. These are optional, and you can use them if you want quick inspiration. But the real power is here in the text box. This is where you tell the AI exactly what kind of music you want to create. This is very important, especially if you're a content creator. Owning your own music helps you avoid copyright issues on YouTube, TikTok, and every other platform. So for this example, I'm going to type gospel worship music. Now, once you enter your description, you have several powerful options available. If you click on the plus button, you can upload an audio file from your device. The AI will analyze it and generate a similar style of music based on that file. Next, click on the custom option. Here, you can refine your music further. You can choose the music style. You can also select the vocal type, whether you want a male voice or a female voice. For this example, I'll select a female voice. You can also add a song title, but this is optional. Now below, you will see additional creation options. If you want a full song with lyrics and vocals, select Create Lyric Song. If you prefer background music without vocals, select Create Instrumental. This is perfect for YouTube videos, storytelling, or cinematic background music. You can also select Write Lyrics Only if you want the AI to generate lyrics without producing the full song. And if you want, you can enable Generate Style, which helps refine the musical direction. Once you're done, click on the Send button. Now the AI begins working. It analyzes your description and starts building your music. First, it generates the music style. You can copy and reuse this style anytime. Next, it generates the lyrics. You can also copy and reuse the lyrics for future songs. And finally, it generates the full music track. Once the process is complete, you can click to preview your song.
Morning on our faces, hands open to the sky, breath inside our chests means we're...
You can immediately hear the quality and professionalism of the music. And if you want to improve it further, you can use the suggestions provided. For example, you can increase vocal intensity, change the voice type, or modify the music style. You can even type your own custom instructions, and the AI will edit the music for you. Now, when you're satisfied with your song, click on the Download button. Your music will be saved directly to your device. But that's not all. You can also create a video from your music. Simply click on Generate Video. Here, you can choose your aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, or choose 16:9 for YouTube. Next, enter the author name. Then select a cover image and click Download. Your video will be generated and ready to post.
Morning on our faces, hands open to the sky, breath inside our chests means we're still alive. I remember nights so heavy, heart weighed down like stone. Couldn't see beyond the shadows.
This means you now have original music and video content that you fully own with no copyright issues. This is a powerful tool for YouTubers, storytellers, filmmakers, and content creators. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description or pinned comment to get started for free. Let me know in the comments what type of music you created, and I'll see you in the next video.